Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can cancel your LinkedIn premium account subscription. Alright, so make sure to log into your LinkedIn profile. After that, just go up to the menu and go to your profile. Click on this drop down menu. Go down and click on Access My Premium. Okay. Now you see this right sidebar. Go down to this one, Manage Premium Account. Click on that. So under Premium Career, you see this one, Cancel Subscription. Click on that. All right. So now we're gonna go to this one, Cancel and Lose Credits. Click on that. Now we got this pop-up, premium benefits you lose when your subscription ends. Email, learning courses, open profile. All right. So to cancel your LinkedIn subscription, click on Continue to cancel. So then you got this one. What's your main reason for canceling? So I'm gonna use, I don't currently need LinkedIn Premium. You can choose whatever you like. After that, just go down to this one, Confirm Cancellation. So you will no longer be billed for Premium Career. Just click on Done. Like that. Now you can go do the same thing to check if this is cancelled. Just go to your profile image, click on this drop-down menu. Click on Access My Premium. Go down to this right sidebar and you see Manage Premium Account. So you have cancelled your Premium Career account. Access to My Premium and all premium features will expire at the end of your current billing cycle. So mine will end in November 22, 2020. All right. Okay, everyone. So this is how you can cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give a thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.